Hi guys, welcome back on Sophie Tech. Today is the topic of WordPress menu. So basically today I will teach you that how you can create menu inside the WordPress. It's very easy and it's very easy to understand also. So basically after watching this video you can create easily menu inside the WordPress and if you have already created menu then you can also update or customize very easily. So please watch this video till finish and you will learn everything related from the WordPress menu. So without wasting time, let's start it. Okay guys, so you can see this is the dashboard of my WordPress, and now just simply you need to log in also your admin panel of your WordPress dashboard. Okay, so after login, just you can see this is the my website, and you can see inside the top header there is the only displaying the logo Naveen Tech. Okay, and there is nothing menu. So basically now I am going to create the menu and I will add this menu inside this top header. Okay, and just you can see inside the admin panel you need to check appearance section. So you can see here is the appearance section, and visit inside this appearance section and you need to try to find the menu. So just you can see this is the menu section, and then you need to click here. Okay, so after opening this menu section you can see there is the two options displaying. First option add menu items, and second is the menu structure. So basically add menu items inside this section there is the displaying many options, just like pages, post, just if you are using the WooCommerce then it will be, you can also add the product categories and custom links, categories, everything. Okay, which you want to convert inside the menu. So that's called the add menu item section. Inside just below of it, this option, everything you can add inside your menu section. Okay, and now inside this right hand side menu structure, that's called the menu structure. Here will display your all menus and with your menu name. So basically you can see currently I have no menu. You can see here is the displaying create your first menu below, because I don't have any menu. Okay, now I am going to create one menu. So basically you need to give the menu name just like I am giving primary menu, because I want to understand that primary menu is called the header menu. So it's not fixed, it's custom. So you can give menu name according to your choice. It's not displaying this is the primary menu, but it's only for developer. If you are a developer or if you are a designer, if you are a owner of your WordPress website, then you can understand easily. So it's not fixed, you can give menu name according to your choice, just like main menu, primary menu, header menu, anything. Okay, so don't worry. And now after giving this name, then you need to click on the create menu button. Okay, so this menu is created. Now you can see edit your menu below or create a new menu. Don't forget to save your changes. It means that I have already created one menu, that's name is the primary menu. Now I need to set this one, that what is the behavior of this menu. So inside this menu setting, just you can see this is the menu settings. When you create menu settings, when you create the menu settings, then you need to focus on your menu names and their behavior, just like I create the primary menu. So basically inside my website I want to display these all menu inside the header section. So basically I will select here main menu, just like you can see. First option, automatically add a new top level pages to this menu. No, I don't want to create this one. Top bar, it means you can understand top bar means it will display just above of the header section. Okay, and that is the footer section. Another is the footer section. Footer, you can understand that footer section is called just like absolutely inside the bottom of your page. And mobile options, nothing, it's optional, and if it's not displaying in some section then don't worry, just skip it. So basically you need to select according to your menu name and behavior. So just like I select the main menu because I want to display this menu inside the header section. If I am going to create this one for top bar, then I can click here top bar and I will unclick here main menu. Okay, but no, right now I am going to create the main menu. So basically now you can understand that if you will create one menu and you want to add in multiple section, then you can also select here. Just like suppose that I am creating this primary menu and I would just same menu I want to add inside the footer section also. Just try to understand. If I am going to create primary menu for header section and same menu I want to display inside the footer section also, then I will check here inside the footer. Okay, then this menu, when I will create on the same menu, then this menu will be added in both places, header section and footer section. I hope you understand. Okay, so basically right now I just unchecked footer and I will click only on main menu and then click save menu. Alright, now this menu is saved. Now I am going to create one menu. Just like how you can create menu, just I am going to display. Okay, alright, so you can see inside the add menu section, item section, you can see this section is now displayed properly. You can see first is the pages. Inside this menu section, if you are creating any pages, 1, 2, 400, 500, any pages, then you can convert same pages inside the menu name. But don't worry, if your page name is the large, then you can keep the menu name of that page, it should be very small. Okay, and you can create it. Don't worry, I will show you. So basically you can convert your pages inside the menu behavior. Okay, you don't need to create a menu and another pages and then linking, nothing. It's long process. But inside the WordPress you can directly create the page and convert inside the menu, and you can change the rename of your pages for menu. Okay, similarly same process will also apply for post section. Okay, if you have post, then you can also convert your post section inside the menu behavior. Okay, and custom link, suppose that you have another website, or if you have another pages post and you want to you don't want to convert, you want to create directly inside the custom link, then you can create also. Just like suppose that you are creating the social icon of your website and just you want to give the linking of your Facebook page, then here you need to write here Facebook. Just like you can see, I write here Facebook, and then similarly inside the URL section I will paste here my Facebook page URL inside this URL section, and then again I will click on the add menu, then it will be added inside the menu section. I hope you understand. So just like I will add this one, everything one by one, and then you can understand. Now this is the category section. So basically inside this category section, this is the category of your admin panel and dashboards. So if you add some categories, then you can insert inside the menu also. Just like you can see, when you visit inside the post section, there you can see displaying the categories. So when you click on the category, then you can add category and convert inside the menu section. Similarly, this is the process only for normal blog or any types of WordPress website. But if you have e-commerce website inside the WordPress, then you can add also your product category inside the menu section. And how you can add, I will show you when I will make another video on the e-commerce completely tutorial for e-commerce, then I will display there. Okay, don't worry. So basically I hope you understand that how you can create a menu. Now I am going to add the menu inside this one. Alright, so just firstly I will visit inside the pages. So I will click here and I will click on the add new pages. Okay, so this page section is opening, and now I am going to create here title of this page, just like home. So basically this one is the home, but this is the title of this page. But don't worry, when you will convert this page inside the menu, then same name will be displayed on your menu. And suppose that this page name is the very large, and if you want to change, then you can also change. I will show you that how you can do it. Okay, so just keep watching. And now after just enter this title, and then you need to click on the publish. So basically you can see this one is the published already. Okay, and now just I will close this one, and again I will go back on my admin panel. Okay, alright, now I will again create the another pages. I will go inside the page and click on add new. Alright, so basically inside this add title I will create some long menu name, and then I will show you that how you can convert this long menu name, long page title name inside the short menu name. Just see. Suppose that I just created this page title name, how to help someone in technology point. This menu, this page title is very large, okay, but you can't add this page title inside the menu because this is a very large. I hope you understand, okay. So don't worry, I will show you that how you can convert this large page title inside the short menu name. Just see. After enter this one, I will click on the publish. Good. So now this one is the also published. Now again I will go back on admin panel. Alright, now again click on the menu section. So now you can see inside the pages section you need to click on the view all, and you can see there is the displaying everything, okay, just like home and this one how to help someone. There here is displaying the two home, because actually I just created one home right now, and one another home is by default already created inside the WordPress, okay. But don't worry, I will add this both, how to help someone and home, both, okay, inside the most recent section. So if just like if I want to add the, you can see here is the one another web pages, sample pages, this is the by default of WordPress. So if you want to add all pages inside your menu, then you don't need to click one by one, just you can directly click on select all, and you can click on the add to menu, okay. So when you click on add to menu, then these all menu pages will be added inside your menu section, just you can see, okay. And you can drag and drop, and you can set the position of your menus according to your choice, okay. And just like if you have added some extra menu by mistake and you want to remove this one, then don't worry, just like this is the sample page, I want to remove this one, so just click on this arrow section and now click on the remove, and you can see this menu, this page is removed from menu section. Now I will drag and drop home menu, okay. So now you can see I will clear after creating these all things. Now you need to click on the same menu. Alright, so this page is, this menu is published. Now I will go back again on my website and I will reload this one. So you can see this one, this is displaying, this one is the home and this one is the menu, how to help someone in technology points, okay. So basically you can see home is the, it's correct, but how to help, this is a very large title, okay, large page title, and I convert this page title inside the menu section, okay. So basically now I am going back again inside the menu section and click on this drop down, and you can see this is the navigation label. So just you need to remove this one, remove, and now right here your menu name, just like tech help, suppose that I give tech help, okay. So after enter this menu name and again scroll down and just click on the same menu. Alright, so it's updated. Now again I will go back on page and reload my website. Now see, this all updated, this menu updated, okay, home, tech help. So basically I hope you understand that how you can convert large page title name inside the short menu name, okay. So now if I will click on the tech help, then it will opening that page, just like I click here, you can see this one is the this page is displaying, okay. So basically it's not matter that you are creating the long page title or short page title, nothing. You can create your menu according to your choice, you can create the menu name according to your choice, okay. It depends on your. So basically now see, and just again I will go back inside my admin panel. So I hope you also understand that how to delete this one, how to, if you want to remove any menus, then you can remove, how you can drag and drop. Suppose that you want to create the just like sub menu, then you can also create, it's very easy. Now see, If you have same process will be apply for post also. If you are creating the post and you want to add inside this menu section, then same process, same just like you process follow for pages, then simply same process follow for post also. Okay, now inside the custom link, just like I am going to create here Facebook. So just like see, I write here menu name Facebook, and inside this title URL, just firstly I will open here Facebook. Okay, so basically now I am going to add this URL inside that section. Okay, so basically, okay, just wait, actually my internet connection is lost, so please wait. Okay, so basically I will just copy this URL from here, and now again I will go back inside my menu section and just I will paste inside the URL section. You can see, so that's called the custom link. If you want to redirect on some another website, just like Facebook, Instagram, Amazon, anything, any website, and suppose that you have you have already another pages and you want to redirect just like pages, when user click on that menu and you want to redirect some another place. So similarly follow the same process and then you can create it. Okay, so after adding this URL and link test means menu name. Okay, so just I add here Facebook, so I will click on add to menu. Now it will be added inside this Facebook. Okay, inside the menu section, just see, and I will again click on the same menu button. After updated this one section, and I will show you inside my website that it's updated and how it's worked. Just see, I am going to reload this page. Alright, now you can see here is created total 3 menus. For 2 is the pages and another is the custom menu. Okay, so now I will click, when I will click on the Facebook menu, then it will redirect on the Facebook page. Just see, you can see now. So basically same process you need to follow for create the custom menu. So I hope you understand. Just I show you that 2 types of menu, how you can convert the pages or post inside the menu section, and how you can convert the custom link also inside the menu. So follow the same process. Okay, now you can manage these all things. Suppose that if you want to create the sub menu, just like Facebook, I want to create the Facebook sub menu of the tech help. So simply drag and drop inside the below of sidebar of tech help, and after this one click on the same menu. Alright, now again I am going back on my website and I will reload this one, and then you can see this one. This is the sub menu Facebook of tech help. Okay, so simply if you want to create the sub menu, then simply you need to follow the same process, that how you can create the sub menu, and inside the more details that how to create the multiple sub menu and super sub menu, and what is the understand the meaning of these one section, these all section, just like the screen options, and here is displaying these all, how you can increase this option, everything. Then you need to watch my complete tutorial of this another videos. Okay, otherwise if you want to take the session, then don't worry, you can just book the session on my portfolio. Just visit on my portfolio, you can see that is the www.naveenpandey.in. you can visit on my portfolio section and just click on the live session, and here you can book your session. If you want to learn WordPress, then you just simply click on the book training and just fill this form for session and click on the book session now, and I will contact you as soon as possible. Okay, and then we can fix the demo, absolutely free demo. Okay, and then we can start the session. Okay, all right, so I hope you understand. So now just inside this admin section, you can see these all things managed by menu from menu section. Okay, and inside this manage location, this one is the another option. So I will explain in detail in another videos, because today I show you that how to create the menu, how you can manage menu, how you can replace menu, how you can rename menu. So everything I hope you understand what is the meaning of these all menu sections. Okay, and one another part of this menu section, that you can customize or you can create some another menu from customize section. So it's another process. I will show you in the next video. If you will comment me that you want this video in complete tutorial, then please just like and share and comment me, okay? And then I will make incomplete tutorial for this menu section, and you will understand. You don't need to take anything, you can understand easily, and you can manage your website easily, okay? So I hope you understand these all things, okay? All right, so just you just you need to understand that you need to do practice. Practice is the most important key for growth, okay? So you need to do practice always, and daily by daily you need to create the menus, okay? And just you want to update, remove, delete sub menu, super sub menu, then you can create and try to do it. And if you have any confused and if you have any doubts, then please drop comment and I will reply you as soon as possible, okay? And if you want to take the session incompletely, then don't worry, you can directly visit on my portfolio section and directly contact with me. And otherwise, if you want to chat, then you can just click on the WhatsApp button and just chat with me live and book your session, okay? So okay, all right, so I hope you understand these all things. So in next session I will show you some another points, but before finish this video I will repeat again that please do practice, because practice is the most important. All right, so okay, bye bye and see you in next video, and please stay home and remove corona. Okay, God bless you. Bye bye, take care.